morning, students. How are you? I hope you are happy. Good. In previous lecture, we learned subtraction without regrouping, and today we will learn subtraction with regrouping. Regrouping, as I told in chapter 1, it means rearranging tens and ones in such a way that subtraction and addition becomes easy. Let's learn today subtraction with regrouping. Let us start. Suppose we have to subtract 28 from 92. First we arrange the numbers, and we always, as I told you yesterday, that larger number we will write upside and smaller number will write downside. As 92 is larger than 28, 92 is greater than 28. So 92 we will write above and 28 we will write below. Now we want to subtract 28 from 92. We have to subtract 8 from 2, means 2 minus 8, but 2 is smaller than 8. 2 is smaller than 8. Suppose we have 2 toffees and we have to give in 8 friends and 1 toffee to each friend. It is not possible because we have only 2 toffees and we have to give 8 toffees to our friends. So what we will do? Either we go in market to purchase, we go in canteen in our school, or we borrow from other friends who is having toffees. That we also do in subtraction. First we borrow and then we subtract. We give to other person. So let's learn how we take borrow. In 92, there are 9 tens and 2 ones. If we give 1 10, then 8 tens are left, and we are giving to 2 ones. And I told that in 1 10, how many ones? 10 ones. So many times I have told, in 1 10, 10 ones. So when 1 10 will go in ones, it will turns into ones. So 10 ones will be there and 2 already were there. 10 plus 2 will become 12. So how many ones will be there? 12 ones. Understand? 1 10 is taking ones, but it will turns 10 into ones. 1 10 is equal to 10 ones we have. So ones will be 12. So we take borrow in this way. 2 will take borrow from 9. 9 will give 1. Here left 8 and here becomes 12. Now from 12 we can subtract 8 because 12 is larger than 8. 12 is more than 8. So we can subtract now. It is easy subtraction. 12 minus 8. We can count back. We can count forward from 8 to 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 boxes. So we'll write 4. Or how we can go? From 12, go steps back, and where 8 comes? 11, 10, 9, 8. 8 coming, So how many steps we go back? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 12 minus 8 is 4. So in both way we can do. We can take small number in mind and go up to larger number, and how many steps we take we write there. 8 minus 2, 6. So in this way we do subtraction with regrouping, which we call with taking borrow from tens place digit. Let's take one more example. 27 minus 19. First we arrange the numbers. 27 minus 8, 19. 7 minus 9 we cannot do because 7 is smaller than 9. When upper digit is smaller, then we make it larger or bigger by taking borrow from tens. Tens, 2 tens are there, it will give 1, so 1 will left, and here becomes 17 because 7 already, and 1 10 is equal to 10 ones, so they will turn into ones, and here becomes 17. Now 17 minus 9 we will subtract, and 8 will be there. 1 minus 1 is 0. So answer will be 8. And answer of subtraction is called, I told you earlier also, again telling, answer of subtraction is called difference. Now let us solve next exercise. Exercise 2. Question number 1, A part. Subtract 62 minus 45. We first arrange the numbers in columns. 62 minus 45. 62 larger number upside and 45 smaller number downside. Now we will start subtracting. 2 minus 5. We will not subtract 2 from 5. We cannot do 5 minus 2. We always subtract from upper number. So upper number is small. We will make it big number by taking borrow from 6. 6 will give 1. So 5 will left here. And here will becomes 12, as 2 were already and 1 10 coming, and it will become 10 ones because we are dealing in ones, so it will accept the numbers in ones, so we will convert into ones. 1 10 is equal to 10 ones, so here becomes 12. Now 12 minus 5, 7. 5 minus 4 is 1. Understand? When upper number is small and down number is big, then we will take borrow and we subtract. Let's take one more example or next question of your exercise. B part. 78 minus 29. First we arrange the number in column. 78, bigger number right, and 29 smaller. Then subtraction symbol. Starting subtraction with ones place digit. Don't start from tens place, otherwise it will give wrong answer. 8 minus 9. As 8 is less than 9, so it will take borrow from tens. 7 tens were here, 1 will give, so 6 will left here and here will become 18. Now 18 minus 9 is 9 and 6 minus 2 is 4. In this way, we do subtraction with regrouping. You will solve question number 1, rest of the parts. Hope you understand today's concept. Have a nice day. Bye bye.